Hello artists! Let's draw a super sweet Cinnamoroll cupcake. Grab your paper and pencils. We're starting at the very top. Add a tiny stem coming out the top. Start with a small perfect circle for the cherry. This is the peak of our yummy treat. Draw a big, puffy shape. Floppy ears coming out from the sides. Next, add Cinnamoroll's little eyes. Time for the base. Now for the tall, fluffy swirl of icing right under the Cinnamoroll. Draw a curved line right under the icing. Add those wavy lines for the wrapper's texture. Then sketch the sides of the cupcake wrapper. Add fun details like tiny sprinkles on the frosting. It's coloring time! Grab your favorite markers and have fun! You did an amazing job! Subscribe for more art,